Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another pallet project here. I'm gonna make a little keepsake box out of this pallet wood I got here. I already harvested the pallet, just gotta knock the nails out of these slats. I'm gonna go ahead and make the dimensions on this 12 by 12. Using a chop saw to make all my cuts. Alright, I got 8 12-inch slats cut. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut 45s on each side. I just set my chop saw to 45. Like that. Center it up. Cut that side, then I'll flip it around. Just do the other side. Just take a file and get rid of all the rough stuff. Stuff. Look a little bit closer to that. Kind of file it down a little bit and smooth it out. And just I'm gonna make 2 boxes and kind of stack them on each other using my CRAFTSMAN brad nailer here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bottom in. So I'm just gonna cut this length here. Bottom, I just took and tapped it in just like this. Put that all along, hit all the edges there. Now I'm going to cut some pieces to fit on the inside here. Actually got some old small little nails here I'm going to use to secure these boards in here a little bit better, because they're just kind of brad nailed in, so I don't trust them. I'm actually going around here and putting in a couple nails along the bottom too. Okay, now just to make the top, here's my lid for it. Brad nail that down. So I had this old doorknob laying around, and I just sunk a drywall screw up through it, and then screwed the doorknob on. These things, these old looking ones in the back here. We're just adding the pre-stain, wax pre-stain. Putting this walnut stain on there. The pre-stain gave it about a half an hour to dry.